Hello children, today I am going to teach English literature to students of standard 5 and I will do chapter 5 Peter and Wendy. This chapter is actually an extract from the book Peter Pan, which was written by James Matthew Barrie. Children, look at the picture of Sir James Matthew Barrie. He was a Scottish novelist and a playwright, means one who writes scripts for plays. This book, Peter Pan, is a fantasy written to entertain the children. The main characters in this chapter are Peter Pan, who was a mischievous boy who lived in a magical island of Neverland. The second character is Tinker Bell, who was a fairy. And the third character is Wendy, who was the daughter of Mrs. Darling. Children, before I begin this chapter, I will give you an introduction of the chapter. One night, Peter went to Mrs. Darling's house. Mrs. Darling was reading bedtime stories to her children, Wendy, John and Michael. And Peter, without their knowledge, was listening to the stories. At that moment, Nana, their dog, jumped on Peter. Peter somehow managed to escape, but he left his shadow in Mrs. Darling's house. Now children, is it possible to leave your shadow somewhere? And the answer is no, because wherever we'll go, our shadow will always go with us. But as I have told you earlier, that this is a fantasy written to entertain children. Children, when you lose something, don't you feel upset about it? Similarly, Peter was also upset that he has left his shadow in Mrs. Darling's house. So one day, Peter Pan and Tinker Bell decided to go to the children's house to bring back his shadow. So now we will begin with the chapter. The night lights were off and Wendy, John and Michael, they were sleeping in their rooms. But there was another light in the room, and that was the light of Tinker Bell. Tinker Bell was a fairy and she was about the size of a palm and she wore a leaf gown. Children, just have a look at the picture. Tinker Bell wearing leaf gown. She had come to the children's house to find the shadow of Peter Pan. She was opening every drawer and wardrobe to find Peter Pan's shadow. At that moment, Peter Pan quietly opened the window of the room and jumped inside the room. And he cried softly, "Tinker Bell, where are you?" Tinker Bell was inside a jug. She was very small and she had never been in a jug before, so she was enjoying inside the jug. Then Peter Pan told Tinker Bell, "Oh, do come out of that jug and tell me, do you know where they put my shadow?" Means he asked her, where have they kept my shadow? Tinker Bell answered Peter Pan in fairy language, which small children can never hear. She told Peter Pan that the shadow was in a big box. She meant a chest of drawers. So Peter was very excited and he immediately opened all the drawers and he scattered all the things of the drawer on the floor with both his hands because he was very eager to find the shadow. In a moment he recovered his shadow, and in his delight he forgot that he had shut Tinker Bell up in the drawer. So Peter Pan, he found the shadow from the drawer, but he forgot that he had locked Tinker Bell in the drawer. So children, I hope the explanation is clear till here. The remaining explanation we will do in the next video.